So, my child absolutely loves stories. Like he can talk for hours about his ideas. But when it comes to actually writing them down, total struggle. He would freeze or write one or two lines and say, I don't know what else to put. So I thought, maybe AI could help. But when we tried regular tools like ChatGPT, it honestly made things worse. He would type two lines, hit enter, and boom, a whole story appeared. It was kind of magical, but he wasn't learning how to write. He was just copying. That's when I started looking for something built for kids and I found LittleLit. And honestly, it was such a different experience. Instead of letting him type one sentence and get a full story, LittleLit actually teaches him how to build one. The writing coach has all these different kinds of stories: adventure, theme based, picture book style. And he started with the theme story. And the magic was in the steps. It asked him, where is your story happening? Who are your characters? What happens in the beginning? Then the middle? Then the end? He had to think about setting characters, problems, solutions, all the real building blocks of writing. And he was excited because it felt like he was making something, not just watching AI spit it out. And once he filled everything in, Little It helped him polish the story so it still sounded like him, just clearer and stronger. The best part for me, I could actually see everything: the full story, the prompts he gave, even where he struggled. So I could talk to him about it afterward and help him improve in a way that made sense. For the first time, I felt like AI wasn't replacing his writing, it was extending it, making it easier, but also teaching him how to really do it. And honestly, watching him enjoy writing, that's been the biggest win.